There is a place in every heart that is waiting for more light, a place that longs for stillness, for meaning, for the gentle touch of the divine. Invitation to Light was created from a simple intention: to make the Qur'an more accessible and more gently felt. Because within the Qur'an, there is so much beauty, so much love, that we wish every heart could experience it. Here we slow down, we breathe, and reflect on God's words. Each reflection begins with a short ayah, its meaning, and a moment to let it soften your heart. We also explore the names of God, the mercy, the power, and the gentleness behind every name. This is simply an invitation to reflect and to return to experiencing the divine. May this bring light to your path. Welcome to Invitation to Light.